Okay, here's a tutorial on how to schedule a tutoring appointment and campus EAB. First thing we do is we go down to the book and we see all the tutoring requests that are currently sent to us via the internal system. And then what we do is we make sure that the location is Marshall University Tutoring Services, and then we click on one of the tutoring appointments, for example, Physics 101, and we do match request. Okay. See, this person is available 2 to 3:30 on Monday and Wednesdays, and he's also available Thursday 2 to 4 and Fridays 12 to 2. So, and he prefers Friday afternoon if all possible. And let's see if we have anybody that's got Friday at noon. And we see that Shri does. Okay. So we're going to go and we're going to find his time on Friday. Okay. We're going to set this to 60-minute intervals. Okay. And we see that we have a 12 to 1 o'clock appointment. And we'll set him up with that. And we're going to do repeat. So we're going to do weekly. And we're going to do it on Friday. And every week. So this would be every 1 week. Now if we wanted to do it every other week, we would do 2 or 3, and we got to repeat until, and I believe the end of the semester is somewhere around in here, so we can change that later. But right now we're just going to save the appointment. And this will send out an email to everybody. And next we're going to go to today's appointments. These are canceled. Okay. And now we're going to do one for one of the green sheets. So this is the list of tutors. We're going to action a new tutoring appointment, but first we have to have someone here. So let's do Jasmine, a new tutor appointment. First thing we'll do is we'll add an attendee. So I'll add myself as an attendee, James Nemeth, and that's one tutor. So that's what it'll be tutoring. And I know that she tutors Spanish. Do introductory Spanish. I'm not going to actually create this appointment. So, okay. Let's change this back to 60-minute intervals. If it's an odd time, like a 30-minute time, but they would like to be there, we can do 30 minutes. But 60-minute intervals are a lot easier. Okay. And so I'm going to do 12 to 1, or whatever they request. But since it's me, I'll do 12 to 1 on Wednesday. And then we can do the same thing with we did with the other, and we do a weekly if we need a repeating, and we'll do it on the day, so Wednesday, and until the end of the semester, which I think is December 17th, but I could be wrong. And then we'd click save appointment. But since I'm not actually wanting this appointment because it's for myself, we're not going to do that. And that's it. Hope you guys, hope this works out for you guys.